CAT-Jitsu. Right now, he's got side control. She's fighting off the position. She spins around. Now they're north-south. She's trying to spin out of there. Oh. It looks like he's holding down the position. She's got good control. Good control of her neck. Alright, what she's gonna do? Oh, she got up. Nice get up. Like he's taking the back. He's got the back. She turns around. Oh. He had her in top position. She's fighting her off. You gotta watch with the up kicks. Now she's got back control. She's got his back. This looks dangerous. Now she's on top. Oh, what a scramble. We got ourselves a fight here, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. This night is electrifying.